Hello students, today I have brought chapter number 2 of class 6 science, that is sorting material into groups. In this chapter we will learn about different properties of various materials or substances. Grouping of materials into different groups according to their nature is known as sorting. For example, we take chalk, pencil, notebooks, hammer, etc. Now here are the substances which can be taken into classroom and which cannot be. So grouping of this into the substances that can be taken into the classroom and cannot be taken into classroom is known as sorting. Here we take one example from daily life. For example, I hope you have seen library in your schools. You may have watched that there are different shelves for different kinds of books, right? So this is also a part of grouping of books, right? Now there are three kinds of material. First is solid, that is tightly packed. It is packed like this. Then is liquid, that is loosely packed like this. And the gases, which are very loosely packed, that is most of the air or other substances can pass through them very easily, right? Now we will be looking at the properties of various materials such as appearance. First property is appearance. Now appearance can be described as luster or non-luster. Luster actually means shiny or non-luster means dull. For example, we can see luster, gold. Gold, very shiny. It is very shiny. When we see it from far away, then also it shines like a new thing, right? Even we see sometimes after 1 or 2 years, then also its shine is same as when we have bought. So non-luster example is wood. But there are some lustrous substances that lose their shine because of the action of air and moisture. If it is packed nicely, then it will not lose their shine. But if it is not packed nicely, then it may lose its shine due to dust, particles, etc. Right? Second is hardness. Now hardness can be described in between soft and hard. Now soft substances that which can be easily compressed, but hard is that cannot be easily compressed. Compressed means compressed का मतलब होता है जैसे कि किसी चीज को दबाना. जैसे कि अगर हम स्पॉन्ज को दबाएंगे तो वो दब जाएगा, लेकिन जो आयरन है उसको दबाएंगे तो नहीं दबेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल duster cannot be compressed easily. Let me show you. Here is duster. This cannot be compressed, but the cotton, which is this, we can compress it, right? Then comes the third property, that is solubility. Now the solubility can be described as soluble substances or insoluble substances. Soluble substances are that one which can be completely dissolved in water, while insoluble are that cannot be completely dissolved in water. Examples you can see is solubility are sugar, salt, while insoluble are sand. Now one of the main things to learn is that soluble substances disappear in water completely, but insoluble substances appear to some extent in water, right? Now how to check whether the substance is soluble or insoluble? See, if first we check disappearance. If it appears in the water, then we say that it is insoluble. But if it disappears, then we say it is soluble. Now if we see float or sink. Float, if the substance is floating in water, then we say that it is insoluble. But if it sinks, then we say it soluble, right? Now fourth property is transparency. Now it can be divided into transparent, translucent and opaque substances. Transparent means we can see between that mirror, like for example mirror. There are some materials or containers we can see, like I will show you. See, this is a transparent material because we can see inside it. But if we talk about translucent, we cannot see in it, but it is not completely, but it is partially visible. And opaque, which is neither visible, like we can say this kit, right? Now the basis of grouping substances are basically two. That is, first is similarities. Groups can be made on the basis of similarities, or the other is differences. Now you may be knowing why we are doing grouping. So what is the importance of it? It helps us to find properties, study the properties of different materials. You may have seen in the shops, Karyana shops, that the substances like soaps are kept in different toothpastes are kept in different drawers or different shelves, right? So this is very much clear that it is very necessary and is important for life. I hope you like this video. I hope you will be able to now easily learn this chapter, and hopefully, thank you. Have a great day. I will meet you soon tomorrow. Bye. Thank you. Please like and subscribe if you liked it. Thank you.